Money is not everything, but everything requires money. I just mean God.
I Priya.
We are the student of plus 2 grade. We are going to demonstrate the topic of development of money.
So, this is the first stage of development. Barter system is a system in which goods are exchanged for goods. For example, if a person needs rice and the another person needs pulses, they both exchange their goods to satisfy their wants. This system was very popular. However, there are some drawbacks of barter system. First one is double coincidence of want. Barter system can work only if both the buyer and the seller agree to purchase each other's goods. Second, lack of storage. In barter system, there are lack of storage because it contains more time and effort.
Now we talk about the metallic coins. Metallic coins are the form of physical money that has been made from the precious metals like copper, nickel, gold and silver. They have used for the several years in our country. Let's talk about the history of metallic coins. In the use of coin, go back the history of metallic coins. The first coin was used by the ancient India, which was made from the Turkey day in 560 BCE, which was used for the several years in India. Let's talk about the advantages of it. It was durable and used for the several years and to maintain the standardization of India.
So now let us talk about the paper money. Paper money is introduced after the periods of barter system and metallic coins are introduced. The paper coins are introduced during the Tang Dynasty by China. In India, it was introduced by Britishers in the 16th century. In India, now the paper coins are introduced by government and the Central Banks of India, which is RBI. RBI issued it by the norms of and as a financial. Currency notes are composed and printed by the RBI as a blend of cotton and rag. The RBI, currency notes of RBI are containing rupee 5, rupee 10, rupee 20, rupee 50, rupee 100, rupee 250. In 2016 November, the RBI discontinued the rupee 2000. Thank you.
Now let us talk about the digital money. Digital money refers to the electronic form of currency used for transactions by eliminating the use of physical cash. There are numerous benefits of using digital money. First is reducing the risk of theft and loss, and it is a very less time consuming and it is the fastest way for a transaction. There are various platforms for digital money. Some are digital wallets, UPI, etc. Some instruments used in the digital money are debit card, credit card and UPI. Debit card is a plastic card that is linked with our personal savings account. When we use the debit card, the amount withdrawn from our personal savings account. Next is the credit card. Credit card is a facility offered by the bank to their regular customers in which we can withdraw the amount more than the amount present in our actual savings account. Next is the UPI. UPI stands for Unified Payment Interface. This is the most advanced and easiest method for making transactions. We can make transactions by using a mobile phone. In conclusion, I can conclude that the future world will be full of digital money. There will be no use of physical cash. Thank you and have a